Welcome to NIOS. In this video, we are going to learn about drainage system. In the previous video, we learned about the physical features of India. And now in this video, drainage system of India would be explained. Have you ever noticed the way rainwater flows on the ground when it rains in the rainy season? If you observe, you will find that the water does not flow evenly all over the place. It flows in narrow channels and along with the slope of the ground. These narrow channels then join another channel, maybe little wider, or drain out their water in a depression. So now you will be able to understand the meaning of drainage system. A drainage system refers to the system of flow of surface water mainly through rivers. Therefore, the whole pattern of flow of rainwater on the ground near your house is a good example that can be referred to as a drainage system of a very small level. An area drained by a river and its tributaries is called a drainage basin. As we have understood that water flows as per the slope of water and small channels merge with larger channels which have much more water in them. Therefore, the drainage system is related to a number of factors like slope of land. Another factor is geological structure and amount and velocity of water. A river, through its drainage system, performs several tasks. These are excess water removal from a particular area, transportation of sediments from one place to another, and providing a natural source for irrigation. And lastly, is maintaining the underground water level of a region. Traditionally, rivers were useful as a source of abundant fresh water for domestic work like drinking, cooking, and cleaning, and also for the agricultural purposes and navigation also. You must be wondering how water can be used for navigation. In earlier times, boats were used for navigation and transportation. In some of the timber producing areas of the world, trees were cut and logs were dropped in river. And these logs of wood traveled on their own through river water to a place where they were collected later on. Do you know? Many cities are located along the river and are densely populated. Delhi, on the bank of Yamuna, Rishikesh, Haridwar, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna along Ganga, Kolkata along Hooghly, Guwahati along Brahmaputra, Nasik along Godavari, Cuttack along Mahanadi are some of the examples. Rivers have remained lifeline for people since long time. The first ever civilization also grew near river valley. So, in today's world, rivers' importance has risen to include hydropower generation and setting up water-based industries. These are also important tourist attractions for activities. You must have visited a riverside, right? Can you think of such activities? You are right. The activities near riversides are like boating, river rafting, and cliff jumping. Because of their utility, rivers are important for life and hence regarded as lifeline. As now we have understood about the drainage system, now let us understand few important words. The first word is tributary. Tributary is a stream or a river that flows into a larger river. Example is Yamuna. Another example is River Sun is a tributary of River Ganga. Another term which is used while knowing about river is delta. Delta is a triangular shaped land at the mouth of a river formed from the deposition of silt and sand that flow downstream in the river. For example, mouth of a river is the place where it joins the sea. Ganga Delta is a good example. Now we will understand another term. It's a new word and this is estuary. An estuary is a partially closed coastal body of water where the salty tidal water mixes with the fresh water of the river. For example, Narmada River makes an estuary. Mostly all the rivers from a delta at their mouth form estuary. There are two main river systems in India that have their own drainage systems. The first is Himalayan river system, and the second one is the Peninsular river system. One more river system is the coastal river system. This river system has rivers flowing along the coast, especially those on the west coast. These are short and do not retain water throughout the year. There is another fourth system of the river in the inland drainage basin of western Rajasthan. Which depends on the rain. The important point is the first two river systems are the main river systems of India, and the remaining two, third and fourth, are river system, but their importance is less. These rivers normally drain towards salt lakes or flow into the sand and disappear. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query, you can send your email at signlanguage@nios.ac.in. For more information, you can visit our website at www.nios.ac.in. Thank you for watching.